Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is all about a super cool eye makeup look with an exciting mix of colors. I love playing around with different color combinations, so I definitely recommend giving it a try and enjoying the process. You can learn this eye makeup step by step with me in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. For the first step, I'm using a light blue eyeshadow. Here you can assess the pigment and color of the eyeshadow. I'm using a flat brush and applying the eyeshadow to the inner part of my eyelid. Then I blend it out with the same brush to achieve a soft, smoky effect. Also continue the eyeshadow towards the center and make sure it's well covered in the inner corner of your eyelid. Blend the eyeshadow along the natural shape of your eyes, ensuring a seamless application without any harsh lines. Next, I'm using a vibrant dark purple eyeshadow. This time, I apply the eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid using a fluffy or blender brush and blend it out with sweeping motions. Also remember to apply the eyeshadow to the crease area. If you feel that the outer corner is a bit patchy or has harsh lines, don't worry. You can clean it up with a brush and concealer or use a piece of tape to make the process easier. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to blending. Experiment with different techniques, brush types, and eyeshadow formulas to find what works best for you and enhances your desired eye makeup look. Personally, I find it easier to use powder eyeshadows because they usually blend more easily. I use a brush and concealer to clean up the harsh lines at the outer corner of my eyelid and then blend it out any remaining concealer with a sponge or my fingers. The desired outcome of my makeup is a smoothly blended look without any visible lines. We have now reached my favorite part, the glitter. This glitter comes in a powder form and is absolutely stunning. I apply the glitter to the center of my eyelid using my finger and ensure that I cover the entire area completely. I love using glitter in eye makeup and it truly enhances the final result of my makeup. It really makes your eyes mesmerizing and more beautiful. I love the excitement that this green eyeshadow brings to my makeup. It makes my look unique and I enjoy experimenting with different color combinations. However, feel free to make adjustments or consider this a step optional, as I appreciate having the flexibility to create a makeup look that truly reflects my personal style. Alright, now it's time for the lower lash line. We will use the bright blue color that I absolutely love it. We will apply it along the entire lower lash line. Next, use a small brush and dip it into the dark purple eyeshadow. Try drawing a line on your lower lash line. As you can see, the combination of blue and purple is truly beautiful. I'm sure you won't regret combining these two colors with red because it creates a really cool and beautiful look. It's interesting how using all these colors together makes your eye makeup stand out and look amazing. I enjoy adding glitter on my lower lash line to make my eyes look shiny and sparkly. You should definitely give it a try. It looks really pretty and stunning. Well, eye makeup isn't complete without eyeliner, so I start from the outer corner of the eye and continue along the lash line towards the middle. Feel free to extend the eyeliner all the way to the inner corner. I use false eyelashes and I really prefer using types that are not too thick and look natural. This is my personal preference. Based on your taste, you can either use mascara or any type of false eyelashes that you have in mind. And finally, you can use mascara for your lashes. Thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. I really appreciate your support. I've recently started my own channel where I share beginner-friendly makeup tutorials. If you are into this style of videos and makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, need some me time.